Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to support the channel. 10 lines on National Unity Day. National Unity Day is also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It is celebrated in India on 31st October every year. It was introduced by the Government of India in 2014. The day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. National unity refers to the cohesive bond among the citizens of the country. National Unity Day emphasizes on building a strong nation. Many programs and events are arranged to highlight this day. The day mainly aims to spread the message of unity among Indians. The main aim of National Unity Day is to bring everyone together. The day is celebrated to remove inequalities and promote peace among individuals.